Sony SRS-SXB100 review. Easily portable and surprisingly powerful. By Time Guiden, 8 May 2023. The bottom line. The $60 Sony SRS-XB100 has an adventure-ready bullet and delivers more sound than you might expect for such a small speaker. Its pros: rich crisp sound for its size, fully dust tight and waterproof design, clear speakerphone mic. Cons: no companion app, cheaper alternatives offer similar performance. Sony SRS-XB 100 specs: channels mono, Bluetooth yes, Wi-Fi not. All specs: Sony's latest budget-friendly portable Bluetooth speakers, the $59.99 SRS XB 100 is an incremental update to the SRS XB 13 that has slightly richer bass and substantially better speakerphone mic. We're also fan of its waterproof bullet, but you don't get a companion app. It's a worthwhile option if you're looking for a speaker under $100 through the $39.99 Anker Soundcore Mini 3 offers similar audio and speakerphone performance along with an adjustable EQV, a companion app for less money. Sporty, sporty and compact. At 3.0 by 3.8 inches HD and 9.7 ounces, the cylindrical SRS XB 100 is compact enough to easily tote around. You can choose between matte black, grey, orange, or teal finishes for the rich exterior. The previous version has had a smooth shell. There are cutouts around the base for the radiator, while a removable strap with a motored design ship attached to the unit. Internally, there an upward feeling 2-watt driver that sparsely visible through the grill perforations, as well as downward aimed passive bass radiators. Together they deliver a frequency range of 100 Hz to 15 kHz for mono audio. To get more realistic imagining, you can group two of these speakers into a stereo pair. The speaker supports Bluetooth 5.3 and works with the AAC and SBC codec. You can also enjoy Google Fast Pair support on compatible Android device. The control panel wraps around the base of the speaker opposite the Sony logo. From left to right, there are buttons for power, Bluetooth pairing, multifunction, which handles playback, track navigations, and call management, and volume. To the right of these buttons, a snap shut panel covers a USB-C port for the included USB-C to USB-A charging cable. You don't get any other accessories in the box. An IP67 rating means that the speaker is fully dustproof and waterproof. You can submerge it at depth of up to 1 meter for 30 minutes without worry, but don't expect a Bluetooth signal to travel underwater regardless. Heavy downpours, poolside splashes, and cleaning seasons shouldn't impact performance or cause other operational issues. Sony estimates that the speakers can last truly 16 hours per hour at maximum loudness. The company claims that the battery takes for 4 hours and 30 minutes to fully charge from empty.